How to unblock someone on Instagram using a laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Instagram using a laptop. First, open the web browser. Here, search for Instagram. Now open Instagram's official website. Here, make sure you're logged in with your account. Click on Search from the dashboard. After that, search for the account name that you want to unblock. Click to open that profile. Here you'll have the option of Unblock. Click on it, then confirm Unblock. Select Dismiss. Your selected account has been unblocked and they are now able to reach you on Instagram. If you want to block them again, click on these three dots. Select the option of Block. They will be blocked again. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.